Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're going to talk about a critical topic, how to protect yourself and escape safely if a fire breaks out in your residential building. This is something everyone should be aware of, as it can save lives. Fire emergencies can be terrifying, but with the right knowledge, you can stay safe. We'll cover essential tips and strategies to ensure you and your loved ones are prepared. Let's get started and make sure you're ready for any situation. Preparation is key. When it comes to fire safety, being proactive can save lives and property. Ensure your home has working smoke detectors on every level, especially near sleeping areas. These devices are your first line of defense in alerting you to a fire. Test them monthly to make sure they are functioning properly, and change the batteries at least once a year. A simple test can make a huge difference in an emergency. Also, create and practice a fire escape plan with your family. This plan should include clear instructions on what to do and where to go in case of a fire. Know at least 2 ways out of every room and set a designated meeting spot outside. This ensures everyone can be accounted for quickly and safely during a fire emergency. Regular practice can help everyone stay calm and act swiftly if a fire occurs. If you hear the fire alarm, stay calm but act quickly. Feel the door with the back of your hand. If it's hot, do not open it. Use your second escape route. If the door is cool, open it slowly and check for smoke or fire. Never use the elevator during a fire. Smoke rises, so stay low to the ground to avoid inhaling toxic fumes. Cover your nose and mouth with a cloth if possible. Crawl to the nearest exit, keeping your head low. If you can't escape, close the door and seal any gaps with towels or clothing to prevent smoke from entering. Call 911 and provide your location. Signal for help from a window using a flashlight or waving a cloth. If you have a small fire and it's safe to do so, you can use a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are designed to tackle small, manageable fires before they escalate into something more dangerous. Remember the pass technique. Pull the pin, which will break the tamper seal. Aim at the base of the fire, not the flames, to effectively extinguish it. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent, and sweep from side to side, covering the area of the fire until it is completely out. Only attempt this if the fire is small and you're not putting yourself in danger. Always ensure you have a clear escape route and call emergency services if the fire is beyond your control. Safety should always be your top priority. Once you're outside, go to your designated meeting spot and call 911 if you haven't already. Never re-enter the building for any reason. Wait for emergency services to arrive. Fires can be devastating, but knowing how to react can save lives. Remember to stay calm, act quickly, and follow your escape plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe.